If your Samsung battery does not last all day, it's because these three hidden background configuration settings are destroying your standby time. First, open up your settings, go to Google, switch to All Services tab, and under Privacy and Security, tap Location Accuracy. Turn off Improve Location Accuracy. This stops your device from constantly running unauthorized background telemetry and scanning for local cell towers and Wi-Fi networks just to feed data back to Google. Second, go back to the main setting menu, tap Connections, then More Connection Settings, and toggle off Nearby Device Scanning. By default, this protocol continuously bleeds your battery by broadcasting a Bluetooth low energy signal to scan your environment for smart devices even when your main Bluetooth is turned off. Third, go to Connections, then Wi-Fi, and tap on these three dots to open Intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi variant number multiple times until Connectivity Lab is unlocked. Open Connectivity Lab, scroll down, and turn on the toggle for Disable Wi-Fi Scan for D2D. This cuts off the aggressive non-stop device-to-device network swapping that hammers your standby battery life when you are just moving around. Share this video to help another Galaxy user save their battery and follow for more Samsung tips.